exploited in the name of human pleasure. Hypocrisy. But I mean, who cares? It is just an animal. It just breathes. It just feels pain. It just sees. It is just conscious. It just possesses a thought process. It is just like humans. We call them non-human, yet they possess so very human-like characteristics. Yet 99% of acts of cruelty against animals in Canada are left unpunished.
On peut juste parler de la question animale de manière isolée, mais faire en sorte que toutes les autres formes d'injustice soient prises en compte dans le combat qu'on mène.
It does require spreading the message for people to be aware of it, and then to knock on the government's door to say we would like change. Also to have legal protections to respect and acknowledge the fact that we do share a lot in common with animals as far as our interests of avoiding pain.
2048, all our fisheries will be dead. The lungs and the arteries of our earth. Animals are our own reflection. To hurt animals is to hurt us. To kill animals is to kill us. To save animals is to save us. Us is a powerful tool. Us is evil, but us is also ignorant. The question is not can they reason, nor can they talk, but can they suffer? I heard the screams of men and women in war as their bodies were ravaged by the violence other humans caused. And I realized I heard those screams before. When humans act with cruelty, we call them animals. Yet the only animals that display cruelty are humans. Humans are more likely victims of other men, not animals. Yet we call animals wild and dangerous, and ourselves Homo sapiens, meaning wise man.